So this is the radio that Eddie from not a million miles from Corby very kindly sent me to scrap it for the meter. He said some of the wiring was out, but it was in such good condition that we decided to repair it. So we're still short of a meter, but somebody else has said they've got a couple, I understand. So if you watched the previous video, we were sorting out this previously scrapped Fidelity CB1000 from 1981, which we know are this is why it's Sierra Hotel 1 Sunday, 1 Tango Sunday, because these are really poor for selectivity. So they're well known as bleed over boxes. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie or ZX2. ZX2's stayed the weekend here at Tango Towers. It's been the first time he's been kind of allowed out for this lockdown period, so he's taken that opportunity to come. So I don't know which one's going to answer the radio. So let's see what happens. Tango 21, ZX2 or Mr. Chippie, either of you out there?
Yeah, we're on the line, we're about there.
Okay, roger on that. I'm just going to run round and turn the tannoy down.
Okay.
Tango 21, how are you doing?
Yeah, we're on the main road now.
Roger.
Right, just passing the Ancaster service station over.
Roger, got you at the petrol station.
Okay. Right, we're just going through Ancaster Crossroads over.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
What did he? Right, just going over the top of the hill as we descend in towards Wilsford over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, just going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, and this radio develops a full 4 watts over.
So that sounds very good. Alright, just going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Alright, we're now passing the Kelby turn over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing. And that concludes the test. Are you coming straight back over? Okay, that's a Roger. Right, well, thank you very much for the test. See you later. Do we have peanut on the side?
Of course.
So there's the Fidelity 1000 test. It worked absolutely superb, and it was very, very kindly sent in by Eddie, who was one of the viewers. So that's brilliant.
I have to say, actually, it sounds fantastic this way.
Excellent. Okay then. Well, thanks very much, and I don't think I'll be catching you again, so do have a safe journey back tomorrow.
Thank you very much, and I look forward to your videos. 7 degrees. Take care.
Okay, that's cheers. That's him. Oh, there we are. So he's enjoying his holiday half a mile down the road at the campsite. So that's brilliant. So I brought my mug back in. I thought we've got to have the Sierra Hotel 1 Tango set Sunday mug, but it's worked out to be a really nice radio. So thank you very much once again, Eddie. That really is super duper, and it's nice to hear it working so well. But the trouble is, there's such a wide tolerance on these. You can have one doing 1.7 watts, and then this one's doing, well, was capable of doing 4.2. So it's not on that there is such a wide tolerance, and there we are. Bleed over boxes, but that particular one's working nicely. So thank you for watching the Fidelity CB1000FM once again from 1981.